Avi Sharma is at the center of what investigators are calling one of India's first counterfeit networks dealing in fake Mounjaro injections. What has happened so far? How deep is this nexus? Is it just this one person in Gurugram? Are there more like these? How many of such units are already out there and inside our homes? Well, to answer all those questions, I spoke with the drug controlling officer, Dr. Amandeep Chauhan in Gurugram. He's the man who caught this fraud. Take a look. All right, joining me next is somebody who's actually been in the eye of the storm, is the officer who actually busted this racket. He speaks to us exclusively, and this is Dr. Amandeep Chauhan, drugs control officer in Gurugram. He's the one who carried out that midnight raid and caught all those fake Mounjaro pens. Dr. Amandeep, would it be fair to say that there are more such fake drugs already in the market, already with the chemists, already with people getting injected?
Yeah, there is a suspect, but yes, for sure, because the guy we had investigated him up to some extent. The guy was a newcomer and he just started few days back only, and his main mode of operandi was he was working through India Mart. So this is also a big question, that how India Mart without any license holder is allowing such persons to sell the medicinal products, which are life-saving products, on any portal. Why? Without any license, without any verification, if this is done, this is wrong. So he was selling the product through India Mart. We had got information that 6 of the injections were sold to Hyderabad also. We had conveyed to the concerned patient also that please don't consume this product, as the product is spurious in nature. We are trying to collate more information that where he had sold the product at India Mart, so that we can inform that not to use the product as soon as possible.
Right. Doc, also have you managed to check what's inside these drugs? Is it just water? Is it harmless? Or perhaps do you think this is spurious in nature, like it could actually be detrimental to health?
No, that I can't commit that what is the product, what is inside that product, because we are sending the product for testing to any government testing laboratories. Okay. Today the sample will be sent for the same, but yes, as far as the investigation is concerned, we had investigated up to that level also. The guy who manufactured this product had ordered the peptides through Alibaba. Alibaba is now one more site. This social media digital platform is now a big hurdle for regulatory agencies, that the Alibaba.com website had sent this peptide product to this guy. Now, how he ordered was simply putting an order online through Alibaba and the products are delivered to India is a major question. In this case also the same thing happened, that the manufacturer who manufactured this product in a flat was not following any of the sterile conditions. He was having no license, just simply he ordered the pens, the cartilage, the peptides from an online portal at Alibaba, and he got all the products. He manufactured it. He got the cartons and labels and patient information leaflet manufactured at India only, and he was selling the product.
Right. Doctor, I understand Eli Lilly was also sort of called in by you guys. You wanted them to come in and check. How did that interaction go with them?
Eli Lilly was not summoned actually, but they were written a mail that you please kindly reach the spot if you can verify the product during the investigation only. But prima facie, I don't know why they showed some inconvenience to reach the spot because of any member, due to non-availability of any member on that day. But it's okay, we put on our efforts and we verified the products at our own level, which concluded that yes, this is a spurious product, and that is the reason that we in a few hours were able to capture the manufacturing location also.
All right, so this is one racket. Remember, there could be so many more, this drug or others as well. So keep your eyes open and always check the source of where you're getting it from. A little bit of a discount might mean that you're not getting the right product. So always ensure that you're getting the right product, especially when it comes to health.